WT-DVO033, name Honey Grace Rivera, age 25 years old, marital status single, education college level, experience 2 years housemaid in the Philippines. So tell me something about yourself.
I am Honey Grace Rivera, 25 years old. I live at Calinan, Davao City. I have one daughter and now she's in grade 1.
Your location, place how far, many hours of travel going to Manila.
1 hour and 45 minutes.
Your family background.
My father worked as a laborer, then my mother is only in the house, and I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My mother.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
I have 2 years experience here in local only Philippines. I already
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, I know, but we need to learn.
What are your hobbies?
Cooking and reading.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
How about elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, wash the bottle, sterilize 10 to 15 minutes, then keep it dry, and then prepare the formula.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
First, check the diaper. If there are pieces, then check the temperature if ever they have fever, and then feed the baby.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
First, check the temperature, then call the employer to know the situation.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Sing it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky, up above the world so high. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky, up above the world so high.
So do you have any other talents?
Dancing.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Keep myself busy and always think positive.
So if one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract, and what will you do?
No, first I call my family there to know the situation.
Okay, what could you teach the children?
Good values and good character.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
It depends on my contract, and Hong Kong is a nice place and people are friendly.
WT-DVO033, name Honey Grace Rivera, age 25 years old, marital status single, education college level, experience 2 years housemaid in the Philippines. Thank you.